Ever wondered what sets a luxury car apart from the rest? What makes it a symbol of status, a testament to exquisite craftsmanship, and a paragon of cutting-edge technology? Today, we delve into the story of a prestigious luxury car brand that has been at the helm of redefining automotive excellence. Welcome to the world of Rolls-Royce. When Charles Rolls and Henry Royce joined forces in the early 20th century, they sparked a revolution. Their vision was simple: to create the best motor car in the world. And so, in the year 1904, Rolls-Royce was born. Over the years, Rolls-Royce has gifted the world with an array of automotive masterpieces. Each car, a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to perfection. From the iconic Silver Ghost, named the best car in the world in 1907, to the Phantom, a modern symbol of luxury and elegance, Rolls-Royce has remained synonymous with unparalleled luxury. While many marvel at the grandeur that a Rolls-Royce exudes, few are privy to the painstaking craftsmanship that goes into creating each car. From the hand-stitched leather interiors to the bespoke Starlight headliner, every Rolls-Royce is a labor of love, a testament to the brand's dedication to detail. However, Rolls-Royce isn't just about luxury, it's also about performance. With engines so silent they're often compared to the whisper of a ticking watch, to the unmatched smoothness of its ride, Rolls-Royce has set the standard for automotive excellence. As our journey into the world of Rolls-Royce continues, we would like to take a moment to acknowledge the community that shares our passion for these automotive masterpieces. If you're enjoying this exploration of luxury, performance, and timeless elegance, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you're not just supporting us, but also joining a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things in life. And if you know someone who shares your love for Rolls-Royce, why not share this video with them? They'll surely appreciate the insight into the meticulous craftsmanship and innovation that goes into every Rolls-Royce. So hit that subscribe button, share this video, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of luxury cars. Despite the changing times, Rolls-Royce has remained true to its roots. It stands as a beacon of timeless elegance, blending tradition and innovation seamlessly. With every new model, it pushes the boundaries of what a luxury car can be while still retaining its quintessential charm. As we wrap up our journey into the world of Rolls-Royce, let's revisit the key points we explored today. Rolls-Royce, born out of a vision to create the world's best car, has been a symbol of luxury and automotive excellence for over a century. Each car is a marvel of craftsmanship, with meticulous attention to detail. The brand has remained true to its roots, seamlessly blending tradition and innovation. Above all, Rolls-Royce is a testament to the power of a dream to create the very best, and in doing so, redefine the entire notion of luxury. So the next time you see a Rolls-Royce gliding down the road, remember, you're not just looking at a car, you're looking at a piece of history, a symbol of luxury, and a testament to the power of dreams.